Hello everybody, welcome to this video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add dark mode to your website using HTML and JavaScript. So now this is going to be an easy tutorial because I have already typed JavaScript here, and this will basically change the style sheet from the light mode to dark mode. And this is what we have so far. So we want to add dark mode to this website, and this website I have shown you how to design it step by step. So after this video you'll have a button, and whenever you click on it, it's going to change the background to dark mode. So let's get started. And this is the JavaScript file. You can download the JavaScript file in the description of this video. So after you download the JavaScript file, just place it inside of the folder along with your other files. So it's right here next to my index.html, and this will basically this part will wait for the content to be loaded, and it's going to run a function, and it's going to check the saved theme, and whatever, it's going to store it basically locally. So even if you change to another page, is going to keep style sheet the dark mode, for example. It will not go to the default one. So this is what it does. And right here you see it says document.getElementById by ID night. So I'm going to add a button with the ID of night, and I'm going to, whenever I click on it, I'm going to run a function called change theme, and I have that function here. So right here you see it says it checks current theme, and you see it gets the attribute. And let's go to the next line. So right here, this line checks if the current style is styling.css. So it's going to check if it's my style. It's going to change it to dark.css, and I don't have the dark.css file. I'll make it right now. So this will basically save it locally, so whenever you switch between pages, it's going to stay on the dark mode. And this will change the text of the button to day mode and night mode right here. So this is the else. So the else is basically the same. So you see it says dark.css right here, but right here you are going to change the theme to the name of your styling. All right, so after this, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to every page. On every page you are going to have, so you have to go to wherever you have your style sheet. So this is my linked style sheet, and I'm going to add this ID. So ID my style sheet, just like that. So my style sheet, I'm going to copy this attribute, and I'm going to add it to all of my other links. So I'm going to add it to this page. I'm on contact.html. I have pasted it there. Now going to the delivery page. Again, I'm going to paste it there, and location page. So I'm going to basically add that to all of the pages. Okay, so now, so far so good. Now we are going back to index file. So let me just go to the index.file. Where's my index file? So I'm going to index file. You see on the index file, at the very end, I have added a button with the ID of night, and it says night mode. So it's right here at the very end. I have placed it here. You can place it wherever you want. You can place this button wherever you want, but I have placed it here. So it's up to you wherever you want to place this button. It's your decision. Now, inside of the index file, at the very end of the body tag, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add the script tag, and I'm going to say src for source, and I'm going to say change sheet.js. So you see, it has already changed it. So when you link it, when you link that change sheet, it's going to change the style sheet for you. So let's not worry about that. I'm going to copy this script tag and I'm going to paste it on all of the other pages. So I'm going to the end of the body tag. So this is the index this is the contact.html, and I'm going to paste it here. So I have it on this one. I'm going to delivery it, and I'm going to do it on all of my web pages. All right. So I'll make sure that I have correctly placed them. So delivery, let's go to the location. So this is the location. Paste it there. And the menu as well. I'm going to basically place that script at the very end. All right, so you see we have attached that JavaScript file to all of our HTML files. Now, after you do that, make sure that you save the file. So go to File and Save All. So it will save all of your files. Now, I'm going to styling.css. And I'm going to make a copy of it. So I'm going to say copy, and I'm going to paste it. All right, so paste it, and I'm going to rename this to dark.css. And now you see everything will be the same, because even though this is dark.css, everything is the same. We just copied and pasted it. So now I'm going to the very top. You see I have an asterisk up here. And if you don't have the asterisk, make sure that you use this selector. So asterisk to curly braces, all right? And then inside here, I'm going to say background color. I'm going to choose a dark background, so probably brown. And I'm going to say color and 3 Fs for white. So you see, this is the night mode basically. So if I click on it, you see it says day mode right here. If you click on day mode, it's going to go back to styling.css, and if you click on it one more time, it's going to go to the dark mode. And as you notice, now it's up to you whatever color you want to pick for your dark.css. So you can go with something maybe dark red. Dark red is good for this website especially. So I'm going to zoom out. So you see now we are on dark mode, and you see if I click on it, it's going to basically change it. All right. So you see it's night. If you click on night mode, it's going to be the night mode, and if you click on it again, it's going to go back to the light mode. And it will also change the text of this button. You see it says night mode now. But if I click on it, it's going to go to the dark mode, and it will change the text to day mode. All right, and this is pretty much it. I mean, you can take a look at the JavaScript file. So this is JavaScript file, and I'm gonna share this code with you all. You can download it from the link below. And after you attach it to your HTML pages, well, what you'll need to do, so this is how we have attached it, script source change sheet.js. So make sure that you include this line at the very end of each page before the end tag of the body. And after you do this, you are going to make a copy of your style sheet. So this is the name of my style, so it's called styling.css. If you have a different name of your style sheet, you can come here and basically change it. So instead of saying styling.css, you are going to add the name of your style sheet, so whatever style sheet you have. And this is the copied dark.css, so this is the copy and pasted. All right, so we have copied and pasted it, and we have made only one change, which is this background color and this color at the very top. So after you do that, you are going to change this to dark.css basically, and this will be the name of your style again, and the text that changes the text of the bottom. For example, you see when I click on it, so what happened? So let me go to the previewer. If I click on it, you see change it to night mode and day mode. Alright, so this is it for this video, everyone. I hope that this video was not very complicated, and feel free to ask me any questions that you have. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll help you all. Alright, so I'll see you all in the next videos.